Hi there, thanks for working with my class today. This is a quick tutorial about how to use the audio-video equipment in the room here. So this is the screen that everything is projected on, and if you look back up here, that is the digital projector. So we have to turn that on first. If you're really tall, you can reach up and just touch that button up there, but you can't always do it. So over here, there's a remote control and a basket of controls. We're going to take this white one out right here, and this is the Epson remote, and we come over here so that if we point it in the direction of the projector, it'll turn on. So here's the power button. I heard it beep, and if we walk under here, there should be a green light that's flashing. Yep, it's turning on. So while that warms up, I come over here and we're going to go to this metal box of audio video equipment. And this takes care of kind of what you hear. All right, here's your dial right there. And we have to press DVD on this so that what we see in here is the DVD. Right above this is the DVD player. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hit the power button. And let's see if it turns on. Oh, yeah, it turned blue right there. And let's go back and see what we are seeing. We'll see what we're seeing on the projector. Oh, I forgot. I need my remote down here. There we go. All right, so on the screen, we have, what does it say down there? It says HDMI. Well, we don't have HDMI, so I'm going to take my remote, point it up here, and press the video button. And it just changed it to S-video. We don't want S-video. We're going to hit the video button again. And it changed it to, aha. Now we see a prompt for the DVD player. We're going to put this remote back. And we pick up the DVD remote. And at this point, we're going to be using this remote and pointing it in the direction of this box. I think if I hit the play button, I should get something, or maybe I have to hit this center button. Oh, I hear it. So you can hear it. It's playing over here, Disney. Now, if you look at my subplans, sometimes they say, hey, start at chapter 2, start at chapter 3, and you can use these buttons over here, previous and next. And if I press it, there's next. Down here, it says chapter 2. Oh, I missed it. I'll try moving forward again from here. See, it says chapter 3 down there. Oh, chapter 3. So some people are starting at chapter 3, some are chapter 4, but you can use the previous or next button to make that happen. So I hope that helps out. Let me hit press pause. It's pretty loud. Oh, if it is loud, of course, go back to the dial over here. And you can use this dial to make it softer or louder. But for now, I'm going to press pause. I guess at the end of the day, make sure that you turn off all the equipment. We'll be good to go. If you have any questions, my cell phone number is on the subplans. Thank you.